our focus to some breaking news coming in at this point in time as far as a big setback for the Punjab government is concerned. The Supreme Court has struck down expanded NRI quota. The NRI quota in medical colleges is where the CJI says, and I quote, that this fraud must come to an end. The CJI also maintained that the centre must fall in line. And he says that candidates with 3 times more marks have been denied tickets, and the top court upholds the High Court's order. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time. My colleague Harish is joining me to get us more details. Well, Harish, the Supreme Court seems to have struck down the expanded NRI quota, especially in medical colleges. Take us through the details of it.
Yes, that's right. In fact, the Supreme Court has said that this fraud must come to an end. Supreme Court dismissed the challenge to the Punjab and Haryana High Court order cautioning notification, which had broadened the definition of NRI quota for medical admissions. This fraud must come to an end. We have to put an end to this fraud. The High Court order is absolutely right. Look at the deleterious consequences. The candidates who have 3 times higher marks will lose admission. The central government must fall in line, issue guidelines. Peculiar facts must follow some principles of law. What is very interesting is that there were 2 particular certain observations, like Chief Justice asked, you are saying the nearest relation of NRI will also be considered. What is this? Just a money-spinning tactic by the state. Justice Pardiwala joined in and said that all the applicants before us are from India, and they are just relatives, Thai, Tau, Chacha, aunt, uncle are applying. In fact, that is the relation they are citing to get admission. So remember, earlier this month, High Court quashed the Punjab government's notification that amended the conditions for NRI quota admissions in medical colleges across the state. High Court ruled that the state's August 20 notification, which broadened the definition of NRI candidates to include distant relatives, was arguably unjustified. So today, the Supreme Court has upheld that particular High Court judgment and said that this is not done. This is nothing but fraud, and this fraud must come to an end. This fraud must come to an end, and we have to put an end to this fraud.
Right. Absolutely. Thank you, Harish, for getting us all those details and putting things into perspective. We shall leave it at that for the moment.